If you want to give your customers a better alternative, the Gira System 3000 light and blind control all-in-one design. The number of inserts and attachments has been greatly reduced. Via the insert, you can decide whether lighting or blinds are used and can choose any attachment according to your wishes. For your customers' most diverse demands, from a simple on-off switch or series dimmer to the Bluetooth attachment. And all this is now much easier to install, thanks to the extra flat installation depth, which provides more space for wiring and recessed mounting claws that minimize the risk of injury. The need for rewiring is now completely eliminated. Use a screwdriver to test the direction of rotation without needing the attachment. Pressing and holding down the key changes the direction of rotation without having to change the cables. And speaking of convenience, you can not only operate the lights and blinds clock via Bluetooth, you can also put it into commission conveniently via the app. Convenience for you and your customers with the Gira System 3000.